Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Autoland. Today we're diving into a true automotive icon, the 1932 Ford 5-window coupe. This car is a cornerstone of American hot rod culture and a beloved classic that continues to inspire enthusiasts worldwide. The 1932 Ford 5-window coupe gets its name from its unique design, featuring two side windows, two rear quarter windows, and a back window. Its tall and narrow profile, combined with elegant lines and sweeping fenders, makes it an unmistakable classic. The clean, simple design has stood the test of time, and its retro charm continues to captivate car lovers. One of the reasons the 32 Ford became so popular is its performance potential. This was the first Ford to feature the legendary flathead V8 engine. While producing just 65 horsepower, it revolutionized the car market by offering power at an affordable price. The flathead V8 was not only reliable but also easy to modify, making it a favorite among hot rodders. This car's steel frame and lightweight design made it the perfect canvas for customization. In the post-war era, the 1932 Ford became the go-to platform for hot rod builders. Its combination of vintage style and performance potential helped shape the hot rod movement. Even today, you'll find custom-built 5 windows at car shows, representing decades of car culture. Inside the cabin, the 1932 Ford was simple and functional. The basic dashboard, bench seats, and no-frills design gave drivers a pure, unfiltered driving experience. This simplicity also meant plenty of room for custom touches, making each 5-window a reflection of its owner's personality and vision. For collectors, the 1932 Ford 5-window is highly prized. Original, well-preserved models are rare and valuable, while custom versions have become icons in their own right. Whether it's an original or a chopped and modified hot rod, the 32 Ford continues to hold a special place in automotive history. In summary, the 1932 Ford 5-window coupe remains one of the most iconic cars ever made. Its blend of classic design, performance, and endless customization potential ensures it will always be a fan favorite. Thanks for joining us here on Autoland. Don't forget to subscribe for more classic car content.